During the early 1840s, the blacksmith would be making tools for all the workers here at Sutter's Fort. But during the gold rush, the blacksmith shop remained in operation, making tools to sell to miners. Now, we're all familiar with the pickaxe and the shovel and things like that, but there are tools that not everybody thinks about. Let's make a mining tool that would have been used for picking out sediment and potentially gold from between rock crevices and into gold pans in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort. Step one, we're going to start with the end of our handle. Let's bring it out of the fire. Make sure we preserve the tip, and then curl our handle over the horn on the anvil. Flip that around. Now let's quench this part. Now let's make the scraping side. We're going to make a good section of this, nice and flat on the face of the anvil. Back into the heat. Now let's get it ready to bring over to the swedge block. Let's bring it to the swedge block and use the cross peen of my hammer and bring it to the horn of a small anvil. Now back over to the anvil. Just exaggerate the curve a little more and curl over this tip. Into the quench. And there you have it. An early mining tool used for removing sediment and potentially gold from between rock crevices, made in the blacksmith shop at Sutter's Fort.